we have multiplication of two binomials, and every term in the first parenthesis is different than every term in the second parenthesis. So what we can do here only, we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So this is equal. We have 2x to multiply times this whole expression, 3x plus 4z. And next we have negative 5z. We have to multiply this by the whole expression in the second parenthesis. So 3x plus 4z. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. We have to distribute 2x over each term in the binomial. So we have 2x times 3x, and next we have 2x times 4z. The same for what we have to use in the second term. We have to multiply every expression in parentheses by negative 5z. So negative 5z times 3x, and negative times positive, so it will be negative 5z times 4z. So this is equal. Next we have to multiply first the numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared. How I get this? The same variables, we copy the variables x, and we have to add exponents. When we don't have exponents, it's always invisible 1. So we have 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. X times x is x squared. Next we have positive sign. First we have to multiply the numbers. 2 times 4 is 8. X times z, different variables, so we have to rewrite them in the alphabetic order. Next we have negative sign. 5 times 3, 15, z times x, different variables, so we will write these variables in the alphabetic order, so it will be x, z. And next negative sign. 5 times 4 is 20. Z times z is z squared. How I get this? The same variables. We copy variable when we have multiplication, of course, only. And we have to add exponents. When we don't have exponents, it's always invisible 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Z times z is z squared. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have x squared and we don't have x squared. And next we have xz, xz. The same variables. So we can combine these two terms. We have 8xz and negative 15xz. So what we have to do? We have to keep the sign of the larger number. 15 is greater than 8, so it will be negative sign, because before 15 is negative sign. And now we have to just subtract from the greater number smaller. 15 minus 8 is 7. And we just copy whatever we have after this number, xz, we have in the both terms. That's why we can combine them. So we have negative 7xz. Whereas we have to rewrite. So we have 6x squared at the beginning and negative 20z squared. We cannot do anything. We have different variables. So this is my solution.